Hello, this is our Cat5e Ethernet outdoor rated patch cables. The jacket itself, the cable itself is actually a outdoor direct burial rated cable. It's by CommScope. It's made in the States, so you can depend on quality. The boots themselves are UV resistant. This is really a perfect cable if you're going from indoors to outdoors, back to indoors. If you are going to stay outdoors, we do have an industrial grade type patch cable that might work a little better that has a screw-on end. So let's go ahead and cut this cable in half so we can see what's underneath there. Okay, the jacket, it's a thick jacket. It's a lot thicker than your standard Cat5e indoor stuff, and I'm going to strip a piece of it off so we can see how the pairs look underneath the jacket itself. Okay, there we go. Now this cable also does have a water blocking gel to keep the the water outdoors or any other type of moisture that might get in there. But it is each pair has it. Everything is water blocked inside the cable to help protect against the elements. And this cable is perfect for outdoor applications, buried applications, aerial duct applications. The temperature for this cable, operating temperature, is -40 Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. So this should do the trick for anything you're doing outdoors. Questions, call us 888-797-3697.